greet you, my people. Ndi Igbo, Ndi Oma.
Great news from Igbo Community of Wales.
As promised in our chairperson's vision, the Igbo school is here to preserve our language and culture.
Our first Igbo class starts this Saturday, May 3rd, 2025, on Zoom.
Time, 6 p.m. to 6:30 p.m., 30 minutes of fun, engaging Igbo learning for both children and adults.
Parents, let your children join. Ndi Okia, come learn too. Together, we keep our culture alive.
Zoom link is available. Join us, grow with us, stand proud.
Thank you for attending our Igbo school. Together, we celebrate our heritage, build stronger communities, and contribute positively to Welsh society. Igbo Community of Wales, together, unity, and one voice.
Igbo
Ike.
Ike.
Dalu,
Dalu,